Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about hook dough 4:1/2 QT for Kitchenaid Part #KITK45DH. Hook dough 4:1/2 QT for Kitchenaid Part #KITK45DH is a replacement part for Kitchenaid stand mixers. It is a 4:1/2 quart stainless steel bowl with a dough hook attachment. The dough hook is designed to knead and mix doughs such as bread, pizza, and cookie doughs. The bowl is made of stainless steel for durability and easy cleaning. The bowl also has a handle for easy lifting and pouring. This part is compatible with all Kitchenaid stand mixers that have the 4:1/2 quart capacity. This part number replaces any previous KITK45DH parts that may have been. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is used to replace a worn or damaged dough hook for a Kitchenaid 4:1/2 KET mixer. It does not fix any symptoms, but rather replaces a part that may be causing issues. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unplug your Kitchenaid mixer from the power source. 2. Remove the bowl from the mixer and set aside. 3. Remove the existing dough hook from the mixer by unscrewing it from the shaft. 4. Place the new dough hook onto the shaft and secure it with a screwdriver or wrench, depending on what type of attachment is used to secure it in place. 5. Place the bowl back onto the mixer and plug it back into a power source. 6. Turn on your Kitchenaid mixer and test out your new dough hook. You can buy this part from www.PartsFPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsFPS.com. Visit www.PartsFPS.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.